This one is, he owns the forest and he let all the monks stay there, and this is very good, charitable, very good, worthy, so praise. But he still have this, ego. So he bought this silver bucket, plate, gold plate, gold lacquer outside, silver gold. And then he did his toilet in there. And then he asked one of the disciples, to take it outside, to throw it out every day. But he didn't know this disciple monk had already attained some high level of practice, So he shouldn't make him do this. That's what he meant. This person already deserves respect from heaven and men already. So this person, the owner of the forest, had not attained that high level or even higher than him. So this is a very terrible thing, like offense, abuse of the Sangha, abuse of the Buddha and the saints. Remember the story? The Earth-star Bodhisattva? Yeah. Also many of the other things before. Therefore, because this monk, the owner of the forest, had no humility, yes, not enlightened enough to see who is low, who is high, not according to class or position, but according to the inner realization. He didn't know. So he treated him like that. He relied on his position and power. And just to take care of the Sangha and have the forest like that and relying on this position, abusing other people, make it work for him like that. And make that saint. He's a saint already. The disciple is a saint. Make a saint to do this kind of lowly job for you because you're lazy and because you are arrogant, haughty, thinking that you're the boss there. Because of that reason, he had to be recycling himself in transmigration. And every time he's born as a human, he had to be born as a lowly class like that. In 500 lifetime, he must do this job. Just for one lifetime. And even that one lifetime, maybe just 20, 30 years, because when he's already the senior monk and, take care of the whole monk, then he's already maybe 50, 60 already. So he probably die, before 100. So 34 years only to ask a disciple to do this, to throw out the poo for him, when he could go to the toilet himself. Understand me? Yeah. Therefore, 500 years, talking about unfairness last night. Only for, maximum 50 years he asked a disciple to do that. Now he have to pay 500 years. How many times more? 10 times? Yeah. 500 years he had to be born in this lowly class and do this job like this job. Taking the poo out and clean the bucket, return to earn money. Yeah. Up to today. Never stop. Until today. Until this lifetime. Before meeting the Buddha. But because he had also the merit of renunciation, he was a monk, and he kept the precepts, perfect. Therefore, today he has a chance to meet me, and I can save him. Your Majesty should know, the owner of the pine forest in that lifetime is Bhikkhu needed today. So even though you do good thing, but you do bad thing, you still have to pay for bad thing and earn good thing. Sometimes you earn the good thing first, good for you. Sometimes you pay the bad karma first, bad for you. See that? Yes. Okay. So in this life, as I told you, it's not fair, and it's normal. Normal for this world is like that. This is a world of unfairness. Yeah. It's fair, but it's too fair and too unfair. So you have to just walk the line, strict like this, cannot even look anywhere. Keep the precept. Perfect. Because even though you practice with me, but if you do bad things, you still need to pay for it. Maybe lesser than if you are not practicing, but still you must pay, either here or after life. And depends on how grave you might even go to hell just to clean up that first. Okay?